So about a month ago, I tasted the lemon lime prime flavor. It was pretty good. But today I got two exclusive flavors. And that will be strawberry watermelon and ice pop. Of course get the water because I need to drink water first before prime. Got my glass cup ready. Let's get into it. This is so cold, Of course I need to drink water first. Oh. Taste test. Not for me. 3 out of 10. Kind of tastes like a popsicle. So ice pop is a 3 out of 10 because it tastes like the medicine that I don't like.